Hello. Um, hello. Um, air free. Um, hello there. I'm gonna be cleaning up this hardwood floor. If you're gonna rely on a vacuum to just clean the floors with, I recommend using some form of um, vacuum like this one, either the Concept 1 or Parmax. This one is a lot easier than the Concept 1. The Concept 1 does take a pan converter to just clean up the bare floors with. I just to I just to clean the floors with because it does have the actual wheel it does have a wheel to wheel it around. This vacuum is a lot easier than this vacuum is a lot easier because it has like wheels, so it can be wheeled around. Yeah. Well, let's see. To clean hardwood floors, the vacuum must stay. Well, to clean hardwood floors, let's see. To clean hardwood floors, to clean hardwood floors, the vacuum needs to be in the upright position, just like I am, since I'm a male type person. Yeah. There are some attachments to do floors like these. Like this right here can do bare floors or walls pretty good. It depends on the vacuum created by Hoover, actually. This one came out since 1992. I guess I can show you a brief a demonstration. Yep. It's probably best if I rely on the. I think it's probably I think it's probably best to switch to normal use so you can pick up the dust. This dusting brush does. Let's see it. Oh. This dusting attachment is suitable for cleaning floors with. Yep. Yep. This dusting brush is good for cleaning floors or your air vents, probably. Yeah. Yep. This dusting brush can do bare floors or walls or air vents. Yeah. Normally on the Concept 1 they do by hand attachments, so this is a lot easier vacuum to use. As you just saw in the demonstration, this hose does copy the Hoover constellation since 1954. It was invented by Henry Dreyfuss at the time. Yep, Hoovers, yep. I think all Hoovers do have accessories. Uh, I wish you can buy on eBay or Amazon. Yep, and thank you for watching. Uh, and also thanks for watching how to clean wood floors with Hoover. Bye.